a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie.
That's so dope, right? With the brand new Jam feature, you can also create a fun multi-screen video with yourself or friends anytime, anywhere. To start your first Jam video, you need to make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, you can open StarMaker, go to the first tab, Moment, tap on the plus button at the top right corner, then select Jam on the drop-down menu. Here you can see all the Jam templates created by StarMaker for you to join and have fun. Select the Jam template that you like. Click Let's Jam button to start recording. You can also create a completely new Jam with your creative ideas. To do that, you just need to click the Create button at the top right corner. Choose a frame layout that you prefer and start recording. A little heads up, use some gestures to make your Jam more interactive. It might as well become the next viral video. Here's some examples of what you can create with the Jam feature. A solo a cappella. Band with your friends.
Do you mind if I say it?
A group dance.
Hit you with that do-do-do-do.
Or even a fun little cross-grid drama. Now that you know how the function works, go ahead and try out the Jam feature on StarMaker. Have fun!